How to fix Nighthawk app won't let you log in. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. So you can launch any of the app that runs on internet other than Nighthawk app and check if it is working or not. If it is not working, that might be the issue in your internet connection, so you can give a fresh restart to your router, or else you can open your settings, click on your Wi-Fi, click on this eye icon. Now click on Forget this network and rezone your Wi-Fi. Likewise, you can switch your network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data, and in the case you are using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. Now let's jump into the solutions. Solution 1. You have to update the app to its latest version. For that, open your App Store, search for the app Nighthawk. Once the app appears, at the right corner of the app, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. And then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, open your settings. Now scroll down. Open this option General. Head towards the option of iPhone Storage. Now scroll down. Over here, you're gonna find all the apps that are installed in your device. Head towards the app Nighthawk. Once you find it, open it. Now click on a float app. Click on a float app. A floating app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If you still encounter this issue, you can apply solution 3. That is, you have to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, close this. Now go ahead and long press on your Nighthawk app. Different options will pop up. Click on the option of Remove app. Click on Delete app. Click on Delete. You have just deleted this app from your device. Now launch your App Store, search for the app and install it. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Nighthawk app won't let you log in. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.